Alright, honey, tell them what the people in the nature center told us about this area.
That there are bears.
But in particular?
Mama bears and the cubs.
Yep. Do you remember what they call those?
Brown bears?
Yeah, they're brown bears, but do you remember what the mother is called?
Mm-mm.
This is why I came to Alaska. This, to me, most beautiful view. We're here at Eagle River Nature Center. Beautiful place to hike. Never fails when we go somewhere that someone's screaming and yelling in the background. We'll continue this after our friends are gone.